What is up, guys? JD, we're here, the JD Squad. Actually, no, we're not. Check. Take two. What up, guys? JD here, the real JD Squad. Dab 'em. That's right. We're here with another product review, testing, using it. I'm biased as shit on it. I love it. It's hair gel. All right, you're probably wondering, what is this product that you're using, James? Why does your hair always look so goddamn good? Well, let me go ahead and tell you why. My hair is always shiny, it always looks good, and this is why. It's called Got to Be Glued. That's right, fucking jizz in a bottle. God. This stuff here is made by Schwarzkopf. I don't know how to say the proper name because it's really fucking German. Scratch that, I think that's Russian. I don't know, but it's still good shit. You ought to try it out. First thing you want to do, you want to pop that top right off. That's right. Then you want to go ahead and you want to put it in your hand. Just like that. Good amount, put it on. You then want to go ahead and you want to rub it in your hands real good. Make sure your hair is standing up looking nice, and you want to rub it right through just like that. That's right. Make it look good for the ladies. Let's go. Anyway, you rub that stuff right through there. And if you don't think you have enough, you go ahead and you put more on. I love this shit. You can style it any way you want. It's awesome. You then want to go ahead and you want to have a cum towel. Actually, just have a regular towel, because if you have a cum towel, that's disgusting. You want to go ahead and you want to rub that shit off your hands. Then you want to go ahead and you want to grab your hairbrush. That's right. And you want to fucking comb your hair. Just like, oh God, oh my, okay. If you don't have a comb, you go ahead and you grab yourself one of your guides off of your hair cutting tools, and you use that instead. You go ahead and you run that sucker right through there just like that, and you comb your hair like you want it to be. My hair's not cooperating today because it's a little bit wet outside. Sometimes your hair doesn't want to cooperate, so you really got to get that shit in there, and you really got to mold it around because it dries real fast. So you're going to have to go in there, you're going to have to move it around, and you're going to have to make it work because your hair sometimes is a piece of shit. Then you're going to comb it over. Then boom, you've got yourself a sweet new do. You know what I'm saying? Right here, look at that. Perfectly combed over. Now, it's not all gonna happen at one time, okay? Miracles like this shit right here, they don't happen overnight. You've gotta really work at it. So if you want nice, shiny, combed over, good looking hair like mine, you're gonna have to wait a little while. You're gonna have to, what's called, train your hair to be able to comb over so it looks like this. Or spike version, I do that sometimes too because my hair is double trained, and okay, that sounded really bad. Thought about that, and it is double trained. That's right. I trained my hair to stand up. I trained my hair to comb over. That's all there is to it. So if you like some more tips, tricks, or know-how about this, you let me know in the comments below, beside, up, down, sideways, wherever the fuck they put the comment box, and I will try to appease you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. The real JD Squad, James, out!